Okay, what I want to do is talk about file linking. I have a couple of files here. I'm going to open this up in Notepad just to show you what is going on. I started off with a doc type and had a title to the page called link. So here's my head element, here's my doc type, opening HTML, closing HTML, and inside the body is I put a paragraph, an opening P and a closing P tag inside, and then there's some copy. Whoops. And what I wanted to show was, this is some copy, that's what it says. And what I wanted to show is some linking. And if I wanted to link this word copy, you would start off with an opening anchor tag, which is A. And then you'd have the attribute href for hyperreference equals. And then in parentheses would be the file name. Close parentheses, close the bracket. After the copy that you want to have linked, you have the closing anchor tag. Anything in between, space this out a little bit, I just want to demonstrate something here. Anything in between this opening anchor tag and the closing anchor tag is what's going to be shown in the browser as linkable, selectable. So when you select the word copy, it's going to link to the file .html, and that's this one right here that I created. And if we open this one up real quick, I'm just going to show you that it's going to display this. This is the page that the file's linked to, plain and simple. So that's what's going to show up when you click on that word copy. So we're going to close that for now. So get rid of the spaces here. And I want to save this. Then I want to open this up in a browser. So we can close that. And we're going to open that up. Here's I'm going to slide this over here for a second. This is the file. This is the link file. This is some copy. Notice that here's the hyperlink. That's what we made clickable, selectable. When I click this file is going to open. And that's what happens. This is the page that the file is linked to. So that's how to create a hyperlink. And I could have put a backlink on this page or something. In fact, let's do that. So we're going to minimize this, open this up in Notepad the way I would put, and I can start off with another paragraph here. So select to return to main page, and I'm closing the P tag. So there's another element, and I can actually space this just to show this what's going on here. Now, what do we want to click what do we want to click to return back to the main page? Well, how about main page? So just prior to main page, I'm going to have an anchor with another attribute equals, and in parentheses, we're going to have to name the file that we want to link to. So that would be link2.html. Close parentheses, close bracket. After the area that I want to be selectable, I add the closing anchor tag. Save the file. Close this. Let's try it again. Here's our main page. When you click on this page is going to open up, which it does. And this is the part that we just added. Click here, it's going to go back to that file, which it did. So what we just made are two files that are linking to each other. And that's how you do hyperlinks.